So I want to touch on the culture, the company culture at DigiKey. And my question is here, so what makes you special, and what makes you really proud of that company culture at DigiKey?
Yeah, that's a great question to start with. But you know what? Our culture, we try to keep it really, really simple. It's this: we try to hire very good people who understand that we need to serve the customer. And when we serve the customer, customers come back. It's not a calculus equation at all. But I think the one thing that's been really a staple at DigiKey is that when we say customer first, it actually means customer first. When we say people first, it actually means people first. I mean, I think I read something, Sannah, that 75 to 80% of companies have the word people in their values, yet their actions don't back it up. I mean, you don't have to listen to it very long in a leadership podcast anywhere to hear, people. Then you go to the newspaper, you go to their quarterly reports, and it's completely opposite their actions.
And then it's communication, right?
You have to tell the story and the value proposition. I mean, we don't just say, hey, you don't just sign up to work at DigiKey and then everybody believes, oh, it's a customer. No, it's how does what we do in distribution. It's not the most sexy work in the world. We're putting parts in a box, but we're getting it to people that innovate and do the engineering and things. So we try to connect those dots so they understand what their value proposition is within our company and what DigiKey's, kind of role in the world is with regards to technology and innovation. And that seems to help us out. And, then we have to have engaged leaders that believe in those same things. And so again, I'm gonna stop there. We keep it simple, but we're very intentional about how we approach our culture. And it's just not a one-stop shop, or it's not just a workshop. It's something that's constantly top of mind for us.
Yeah. If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.